No to drugs.
No do drugs. What's going on, you guys? Back here in the junkyard, and we are looking for some parts. I'm here for a door handle and some miscellaneous bolts and plastic trim pieces, while Naday needs a bucket full of bolts for his cars. We got a Del Sol, we got a hatch over there, got a Subaru. I haven't been to this yard in a while. There's an Integra. All right, well, I'm gonna go look for the car that I am here for, because this is the only yard that has the LX model EF sedan, and see if the parts are still on the car. So I took maybe about 20 steps, and the car that I'm looking for is right here. EF sedan, they claim it was black, but this is charcoal gray. And what I am here for today for this car is the plastic trim piece for the somebody already took it. Oh wait. Please tell me it's not broken. Yeah, it is kind of broken, but we have one. So this is what I needed right there. And now I need to pull the motor out where, oh, it took the motor. Oh wait, no, the wire's right here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this whole track off. Oh look, they already took it off for me. Oh wait, it's the windows, damn it. So yeah, this is gonna be quite a challenge because I need to take off those two bolts and I can't get to it because the window's still up. But lucky for me, I brought my tools right there. Use a hand wrench, take off the windows 10 mil from the tracks, pull the track out, pull that motor out, get what I need. This is what I need. And then, because they already made life easier for me right here with the door panel off, I am going to be taking that door handle. Actually, I'm going to take the other one over there because I need it for that side door. So door handle, plastic trim piece, and a little gear piece for the motor. I'm probably going to pull that one out as well, so I have two of them in case this one's old, brittle, and breaks too. We'll have two. When you got big ass hands and you can't fit it in between this hole to get to the fucking 10mm bolt, found a paper clip right there on the floor, and I snipped some wires, took the terminals right here, and used my Makita battery to power the window motor. And the window's now down. The 10mm are accessible now. You can see I kind of started taking that one out right there, and at least I now know this motor works. And they look very identical to the one in the wagon, so that means if my shit ever went out, I can come grab one from a sedan. So let's get this freaking track off and get that piece that I need. Got a door handle, I need it, although this is painted, because LX model, if you guys don't know, LX and EX model comes with painted bumpers and painted door handles. Power window option obviously, and then the EX comes with the SI motor. So there's not a DX in this yard, so that means I can't find another, you know, stock flat black handle. So I'm gonna have to spray this one, but I got what I need. I got the plastic that I need, and also grabbed an extra one. Well, this is the one I need, but this is the extra one that I got. And I'm still looking for the passenger side DX manual window cover for the wagons, because the wagon doesn't have a switch for the driver's side. So I need the one without it in gray. And we're gonna roam the yard, see what's good here, and get on out of here to go to their pad to see if we can make more progress on the hatch. Damn, there's some 949s here in the yard. I wish we could take it, but this shit is so curved, the lip is gone. You can see it right there. Look, 949 racing. See how light these are, bro? They are 15 by 8. Fuck.
I mean, if it's not that much, I can get it. I use my 100. I have some cash too, I think.
I can weld that and make a whole new lip on it.
Right here, see, this one's not bad though. It's still holding air.
Fuck, they got tuner lugs. Is it?
Yeah.
I pour one out for the homie right here. Dang it. Got what I need. Yeah, I want that bumper though. If you guys ever noticed, my car is a 90 CRX SI, but it has an 88, 89 rear bumper. The 9091 style has this little lip on the bottom, and this one is fairly clean, but I literally just missed the 50% off this past weekend. Oh, this bumper is really clean. I gotta keep walking so I don't feel tempted to buy it, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's see what else is good in here. A lot of Integras. So I saw this on row 52. This is a right-hand drive EJ1 Civic. The dash is still in here. That's pretty surprising. I don't know why I'm carrying that. Oh yeah, yeah, look at that. Oh shit.
Stop, hold on. You're good, hit my foot.
Like somebody started a project they never finished. Man, this is a lot worse than my welding job. Holy shit, look at that big ass booger right there. Oh my god, look at over there.
Look at this.
Oh my god. Bro.
This is how you know they didn't want to finish it. They were ready to paint the engine bay.
Wow. It's not often you see that.
Black housing too?
TYCs? We're back here at the pad with this bipolar ass weather. Humid, it's cloudy, rainy, sunny, all in one day. So what we are doing right now, we're mixed matching suspension because we have, you know, EGDC Takikos and he has Takikos as well, but one of his fronts is Coney, which is kind of weird, but that's how he came out of the parts car. And we're matching one of our Takikos with one of his front Takikos. Where's it at? That's that's our front, and that's his front. No, that's our front. Yeah, that's his front, that's our front. We're using those two, and then we are using the 1.5 extended top hats for the fronts, and the rear is going to be stock height but super compressed, so that way it's going to be super stiff. He had these ground controls which were a lot softer than that guy, so right now we compressed it a little bit, and you can see it threaded a little bit right there on the top, but we're not going to fully compress it down just yet until we can get these studs lined up perfectly into the wheel well, as well as that to the lower control arm. So once we square that up, then we're going to shoot this guy in, which then is going to compress the spring a lot more, and then making the back super stiff. The front's going to be a tad bit lower, so it's going to be raked a little bit, which is perfectly fine, and we're going to preload the crap out of those springs as well, or those springs, not that spring. No movement. Bro, that is woo. Alright, well, that's the rear suspension pretty much, and just gotta do the camber, but I don't have my gauge on me. So we just put the car back on the ground, and it's pretty high, but we'll make adjustments after once we settle the front in, and then we'll adjust the height in the rear accordingly. But we're gonna give it that bounce test. Bro. Oh my god. We got Chef Nide. So rear preloaded a little bit on one of the front suspension, and I'm about to do the second one right. I believe we're using this one, so I need that sleeve and that spring with that top hat, and then we're gonna get the fronts put on. We just did both control arms on left and right hand side, axle, lower ball joint, and it's pretty much ready for the shocks. Compress it, put the wheels on it, and drop it down to the ground. See how rake it is, so we can adjust accordingly. But first, brake.
Eating brake.
Eating brake. Yeah. Simba and Simon. Simon and Simba. Got the suspension put on. The day tightened up everything underneath, ball joint 14, 17, whatever, and we haven't tightened this yet because we need the car to be on the ground to compress it, because if we try tightening it right now, it may pull threads, who knows, because that's what happened with the shocks that were on Carrie's car before. It stripped it all out when we did that. So we're gonna put the wheels on, drop the car, let it compress, zap it in, and front suspension will be preloaded, and maybe we'll take it for a spin. The car is straight up 4x4 status, but I told him just throw the suspension on and we can get the car down on the ground so we can drive it around and make sure we don't hear nothing funky and make sure everything's all golden. And then when he gets new suspension, because he is, you know, sponsored by True Hearts, but when he gets new suspension, then he'll have like all the bolts and everything to just slap on the new suspension rather than doing the runaround. So what I'm doing right now is, because he has aftermarket camber arms, I am using like a cheap homemade 90-degree tool here to adjust his camber dead straight, like zero. So what I'm doing is putting this up against the tires, and you can see it's not touching right there. That means I gotta adjust the camber for the wheel to come out more positive, to be more straight, so that way it doesn't make the car drive all redonkulous with one side or both sides being super cambered out. So I gotta make my adjustment now and lock him in. All right, guys, we got the fucking positive in place, we got the negative in place, and he's still jimmy jamming his fucking ignition switch. Bro, really? Come on, man. Oh, windshield wipers on, fool. Hey, your fan works. Straighten out your wheel. Straighten out your wheel. Your wheel. My way. Break those brake pads loose. Put it in first. Get it rolling. That wheel was locked. The rust on the rotors to the brake pads. Oh, we are moving, boys. We are moving. Oh, we good. Get ready to rock and roll. Ready to rock and roll. I don't know if you guys can see his front wheels. They're pretty straight, right? And you look on this side. It's turned in. Needs a bad ass alignment, son. But look how high the car is. New Jersey. So there's the jack, and the car's high enough that he can slide under there and adjust the tie rod. Bro, that's how high the freaking car is.
Damn. Hey, Simon, can I tie your shoe? Because I don't want you falling for anyone else.
Hey! Wasn't too sure about what we were going to do the rest of the night. It's like 10 o'clock maybe. And I told Nade, do small things as you go, as the days go by. And he was like, shit, I'm just going to install the Walbro 255 right now. So that's all done. And that may be it for the night. Simba, what you barking at, Simba?
McDonald's box.
That paranormal shit's happening already. Look at that. He looking. So it's about to be Cambodian New Year, right? Or it is. It starts a week early. And if you guys, all my Cambo fams, you guys know what the op is, right? Yeah. Whew, boy. Op is the legendary, like, myth of the floating head and organs. And we're going to be doing some paranormal stuff soon. So, you know, New Year's op goes. Bro. Anyway, so we ain't got no fuel leaks. Fuel pump went great, and we're still planning out what exactly we need to do to this car other than alignment, the turbo to complete the turbo kit, and then slight body work and paint. I think that's what we're doing, right?
No paint. No time for paint.
We have time for paint. He just don't believe. I fuck with people who believe.
I can't paint it. I could rattle can it. You want me to rattle can it? Or easy peel pink? I'm down. Dana doesn't.
I don't think this guy even knows who's standing right here at his house right
He doesn't
now.
want to help me with the paint. I already asked him.
I didn't even say anything.
Yeah, Simon, what do you say?
I said I'll only help him paint if he'll do pink.
I told you I'm down. You can make a video on it. I'm down. Say I won't. I'm 100% down.
District 10 breast cancer awareness will love you.
I'll do it. I'll put a big ass fucking
nigga driving a pink car.
I'll put a flag
that trophy's
in the front.
for you.
I'll put a flag in the front. If you down, I'll do it. I'll shake on it too.
You're down?
I'm down.
Well, I'm gonna have to sleep on it before I shake on it, you know, because my hand's in here already, so.
See? All talk.
All
talk.
Oh, he's gonna put that shit on me. All talk.
All talk.
You see that shit? I'm gonna close the camera right now. I'm gonna argue with him real quick, and then we'll come up with a verdict. Hey, so what car is this?
It's an XB.
Is it XB? It's a newer year though.
Yeah.
What year is this?
14.
Equipped with air lift. This is pretty badass. This is probably the first time I've sat in a airlift equipped car. Well, not even airlift, a bagged car, other than my mom's Lincoln Continental, you know, but you guys know about that, right? So it's 12:13 right now, and I just got home. Today was successful, although we started kind of late. But anyways, we ended up making it to the junkyard. We got what we needed. He got what he needed. We came back. We did the suspension. We barbecued. We hung out. Got bit by the dog a few times. And I think all that we did was drive the car, which was terrible with the alignment. But thanks to Darren, he was able to fit under the damn car, adjust the tie rod, and car drives a ton straighter. Naday installed the Walbro fuel pump, and then he started stripping his interior a little bit to do some more work and clean up on the inside of the car before we start touching the outside. These next couple of days we'll be working on the wagon because Naday probably won't be off for another God knows how long, and I need to get my car ready. But I'm stoked to see his car on the ground and driving, although it's hella slow. But boost will be coming really soon. So with that being said, if you guys want to see Naday's car get boosted next, or I believe we might be painting the car because he still needs a turbo, hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are enjoying the random videos like the beach and, you know, just kind of non-car things, stick around. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I know a lot of you guys weren't getting notes on the new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.